In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shape transparent in LibreOffice Writer step by step. This is a super useful trick if you want to make your document look more professional, reduce the visual weight of a shape, or create a cleaner design without removing the shape completely. Whether you're making a flyer, a class project, a report, or just experimenting with document design, transparency can help you get the exact look you want. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it tells YouTube to show you more videos like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that too. The steps are exactly the same either way. Once your Writer document is open, go up to the top menu and click Insert. Then hover over Shape. You'll see a list of different shape options appear. Choose any shape you want from the menu. For example, you could pick a rectangle, circle, arrow, or another basic shape depending on what you need. After selecting the shape, click and drag on the page to draw it. Make sure the shape is placed where you want it, inside the document. At this point, the shape will usually have a solid fill color, so it may look bold or fully visible. That's completely normal, and we're about to change that. Now click on the shape once to select it. You should see that the shape is active and ready for editing. This is important because the next options only appear when the shape is selected. Next, right-click the shape and choose Area from the menu. This opens the formatting window where you can change the appearance of the shape, including its fill color, borders, and transparency settings. Inside the pop-up window, look for the transparency slider. This is the setting that controls how see-through the shape becomes. If you move the slider higher, the shape becomes more transparent. If you keep it lower, the shape stays more visible. Adjust the transparency level until it looks right for your document. If you want the shape to be only slightly see-through, choose a lower transparency value. If you want it to blend much more softly into the page, increase the transparency further. Take a moment here to preview the look and make sure it matches the style you're going for. Once you're happy with the transparency level, click OK to apply the changes. LibreOffice Writer will update the shape immediately and you'll see that it now appears transparent based on the level you selected. And that's it. You've successfully made a shape transparent in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. And if you want, check out more LibreOffice guides on the channel for even more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.